Assalamualaikum. My name is Nirajis and I'm from Bachelor of Psychology. Today I'm going to present about the structuring of work, occupations, and the social division of labor. The definition of occupation is engagement on regular basis by working in tasks which are identified under a particular heading or title. Example, a lecturer, a labor constructor, and there's two principles of work structuring, which is the first one is hierarchy structure, which is work on a bureaucratic, administrative, or formal organization. Example, senior manager makes strategic decision, middle management oversees operations, and for lower level, employees carry out the tasks to ensure clear reporting lines and accountability within organization. For the second principle is division of labor, which is involve breaking the tasks into a specialized roles or function to increase efficiency and productivity, which is for example, CEO divided the job scope into different levels of workers such as HR management, production workers, and marketing department. And for the occupational structure, the horizontal differentiation is the traditional way, which is divided into three sectors: primary sector, which is agriculture sector, and extractive industry, for example, farming and livestock. For the second one is secondary sector, which is manufacturing, for example is car product factory or glove factory. And the third one is tertiary sector, which is services, customer service, and police. For the second occupational structure which is vertical and social class aspect. These involve groups in hierarchical classification according to criteria relating to the quality. Example, doctors, teachers, police, constable, businessmen, supervisor, shop assistant, and cleaners. Each works is based on their hierarchy of level of work. And lastly is the division labor. There are three types, which is the first one is the 5-class model. The first one is upper class, which is property owning, for example is investor. And the second one is senior managerial, administrative, and professional class, which for example is medical specialist. And there's also middle management, junior professional, and senior technical, which for example accountant. And the fourth is routine clerical, technical, supervisory, and service worker, which is involve the retail supervisor. And lastly is manual working class, which is factory worker. And the second division of labor is the Martian model of classes. A person's social class is determined by their relation of labor and the means of production. There's three types, which is the first one is landlord, the second one is bourgeoisie, and the third one is proletariat. Okay, so and the third type of division of labor is the class 3 model, which is there are three principal classes in advanced capitalist societies. It's involving the ownership of property in the means of production, which is we call as the investor. And the second one is involving possession of educational or technical qualification, which we call it as teachers or maybe plumbers or technicians. And the third one, the last one, is involving the possession of manual labor of power, which is we call it as factory workers. So that's all from me. Thank you.